Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the controls on Team Fortress 2. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Team Fortress 2 game on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, you can click on the options button at the bottom section, which will now open up the options window. Now directly you will land within the keyboard section where you can redefine your buttons by clicking on the edit key option. Click on whichever control you would like to change, and then click on the edit key button. Once the control turns blank, you can press the new button that you wish to reassign and then click on the apply button to save your changes. You can do this for all of the controls within the game. And once you have made your changes, click on the apply button and now you can start playing your game with your customized controls right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your controls within the Team Fortress 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.